Welcome to Vertical Cube, your guide to efficient warehousing. This presentation is entitled Organizing and Transforming Your Warehouse, Mastering the 5S Methodology. And this is just one of the many videos you can find on this channel, created for all warehouse teams by Vertical Cube. In this video, we will again learn about the following. 1. What is 5S methodology? 2. The 5 S's. 3. Benefits of 5S methodology. 4. Implementing 5S methodology. 5. The conclusion. Today, we're going to talk about a methodology that can revolutionize the way you work. It's called the 5S methodology, and it has been proven to increase efficiency, reduce waste, and improve safety in the workplace. You may be wondering, what exactly is the 5S methodology? Well, it's a system for organizing and maintaining a clean, efficient, and safe workplace. And trust me, it's not just for manufacturing or industrial settings. 5S methodology can be applied to any workplace, from offices, to hospitals, to restaurants, and of course to warehouses. It's a universal concept that can benefit anyone who wants to work smarter, not harder. What is 5S methodology? 5S methodology is a system for organizing and managing a workplace that focuses on 5 key principles: sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. The goal of 5S is to create a clean, safe, and efficient work environment by eliminating waste, improving workflow, and reducing downtime. Each of the 5 S's plays an important role in achieving this goal. Sort involves identifying and removing unnecessary items from the workspace. Set in order means arranging the remaining items in a logical and efficient manner. Shine refers to cleaning and maintaining the workspace to prevent dirt, dust, and other contaminants from accumulating. Standardize involves creating consistent procedures and processes for maintaining the workspace. Finally, sustain involves ongoing efforts to maintain the improvements made through the previous 4 steps. The 5 S's. Sort. This step involves identifying and removing any unnecessary items from the workplace. This can include tools, equipment, and materials that are no longer needed. By removing these items, it becomes easier to organize the remaining items and improve efficiency in the workplace. Set in order. Once unnecessary items have been removed, the next step is to organize the remaining items in a logical manner. This can involve labeling items, creating designated storage areas, and ensuring that frequently used items are easily accessible. Shine. This step involves cleaning and maintaining the workplace to ensure that it remains organized and efficient. This includes regular cleaning of equipment and workspaces, as well as identifying and addressing any maintenance issues. Standardize. To maintain the improvements made in the previous steps, it is important to establish standard procedures and processes for organizing and maintaining the workplace. This can involve creating checklists, establishing schedules for cleaning and maintenance, and training employees on the new procedures. Sustain. The final step in the 5S methodology is to sustain the improvements made by continuously monitoring and improving the processes. This can involve regular audits to ensure that the new procedures are being followed, as well as seeking feedback from employees to identify areas for improvement. Benefits of 5S methodology. Implementing the 5S methodology has been shown to increase productivity by up to 30%. By organizing the warehouse or workplace and reducing clutter, employees can work more efficiently and waste less time looking for tools or materials. In addition to improving productivity, the 5S methodology also improves safety in the workplace. By keeping work areas clean and organized, hazards are easier to identify and avoid. This leads to fewer accidents and injuries on the job. Implementing 5S methodology. Step 1. Sort. Start by identifying all the items in your workplace and categorizing them into necessary and unnecessary items. Remove any unnecessary items to create more space and reduce clutter. Step 2. Set in order. Arrange the necessary items in a logical order that makes them easy to find and use. Use labels, signs, and color codes to make it easier for employees to locate what they need. Step 3. Shine. Clean and maintain the workplace regularly to ensure that it is always clean and organized. This includes inspecting and cleaning equipment, floors, walls, and work surfaces. Step 4. Standardize. Develop standard operating procedures, SOPs, to ensure that everyone follows the same process for maintaining the workplace. This helps to prevent mistakes and ensures that everyone is on the same page. Step 5. Sustain. Ensure that the 5S methodology is sustained over time by regularly reviewing and updating SOPs, training new employees, and encouraging employee participation in the process. In conclusion, implementing the 5S methodology in the workplace can lead to significant improvements in efficiency, safety, and waste reduction. By following the 5 steps of sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain, our warehouses can create a more organized and productive work environment. Some of the benefits of using the 5S methodology include increased productivity, improved quality, and higher employee morale. Additionally, implementing 5S can help us save time and money by reducing waste and improving processes. It is important for us to recognize the value of the 5S methodology and to make a commitment to implementing it in our workplaces. By doing so, we create a culture of continuous improvement and drive long-term success. That's it for this video. See you in our upcoming training.
Thank you for watching. To show your happiness and support for this channel, you may wish to continue sending super thanks by tapping the super thanks button down there. And please, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for more warehousing and workplace English lessons. Once again, thank you.